Welcome back to our HubList channel to learn about HubSpot. Today we are diving into how to create and manage smart content rules inside your CRM. Ever wanted your emails to feel like a cozy cafe, serving up personalized content just like a barista serve you your favorite brew? Well, buckle up, because we're about to make that dream a reality.
Yeah, but we want to serve personalized content, not coffee.
That's true. Smart contents allow you to dynamically change the content of your emails based on the user properties. It is available for emails, website, and landing pages in HubSpot. However, for the purposes of our delightful conversation today, we're focusing on email marketing. But here's the catch. Smart content isn't just for anyone. It's only for marketing pro and enterprise plan. So now let's dive in. So go to your HubSpot. Click on marketing, then email. Click on create email to create a brand new email. We will select automated because we want to send this email through a workflow on HubSpot. Here I will select welcome email, so it's easier for you to better understand how to implement smart content rule. Let's say we want to change the beginning of your email according if the content is sent to, for example, French people. It should be an easy pie, right? Or should I say an easy croissant? Let's take an image and drag here. Over there, I can upload an image. For example, I will take a Google Analytics logo. Here I can click on more, add smart rule. And here I can click on select category, contact list membership, add, and I choose French people, the list of people who are French in my HubSpot. So how did I create this list? Really simple. I created an active list, selected the contact property country region, and the filter is country region is equal to any of France. You can use plenty of other contact properties if you want to create targeted audience. Now you want to display a different image for French people. So you go to your image and now you have editing for default or French people. I select French people. Here I will click on replace and I have a French baguette in HubSpot. This is typical for every HubSpot in France. So I click on baguette and now I have a baguette for every people I send this email who are in my French people list. You can also go to settings and change the subject line according to your smart rule by clicking on add smart rule. Now you know how to create and manage smart content rules for your HubSpot emails. It's exactly the same for landing pages and website pages. You can use the same criteria and also use forms on your website to personalize user journey while they are browsing on your website. So go ahead and make those emails shine. Your subscriber will thank you and you might even find yourself enjoying email marketing more than ever. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you next time. Bye.